So this Euro pound analysis for Tuesday, 24th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've seen price break above the 89.45. We were heading up towards that 89.60, didn't quite get there, from which we have seen the sell side momentum come back into the market, taking a stand towards that 89.14. So we weren't able to hold 89.45 as support. What we did see was instead break down towards that 89.14, which previously acted as resistance, acted as minor support for a brief bullish bounce. Didn't see the continuation up towards that 89.45. Instead, what we have seen is a breakdown and a retest of this 89.14. So if we do see a breakdown from this 89.14, we're looking for prices potentially head down towards this 88.74. Successful break from which we'll be looking for price head down towards that 88.51. And if we do have sufficient volatility, possibly even that 88.20 here on the euro against the pound. We do have to also be aware of the fact that we do have the 200 period moving average, which could act as a dynamic level of support, and also the 400 period moving average. I'd probably say 200 period moving average being the more important of the two. For now, if we do see a breakdown from this 89.14, but those are pretty much levels that we are looking at to the downside. But if we do see if this does turn out to be a retracement rather than a bit of a reversal here on the euro pound, we would be looking for, especially if we do hold support in around 89.14, looking for a move back up towards that 89.45. If we can break and hold 89.45, the very next level of note is of course the 89.80 marked out here on the chart. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. Get scaling on here correct, and as you can see here, while we have traded above the 89.45 on two previous occasions more recently, we weren't able to close above that level, and what we are seeing is a bit of a retracement here on the euro against the pound. For now, there still remains a possibility of forming a bit of a bull flag. We'd need to see bullish momentum come into the market within the next couple of days, of course, and for this move to the downside to be somewhat shallow, have a narrow daily range. But if we do see a pickup in momentum to the downside, we could see a deeper retracement, especially after seeing we were trending upwards. We saw this acceleration in momentum, and now we're seeing a bit of deceleration and reversal going the other way. So if we do see an acceleration to the downside, a pickup in momentum to the downside, there remains a possibility of seeing a deeper retracement down towards 88.74. But if we continue to have a narrow range on the daily open to close, there remains a possibility of seeing a bit of a bull flag form and seeing continuation possible towards that 90.24 in the coming weeks or so here on the euro pound. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.